Do you know how to access each array element depending on the requirement? Welcome to vshtechstudies. In today's session, we shall know how to access any element required in an array so that array rotation can be implemented. Here the problem statement is to left rotate the array elements by k number of times. So in this array rotation, if input is of 5 elements, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, when it is rotated by k positions, that is k equal to 2 here, the output should be 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So if you take an array of size 5, say array name is A, so it has 5 consecutive memory locations. The index of first memory location is 0, the last one is 4. So each memory location is identified by same name A but different indices. So in the first memory location, that is A of 0. So this is first memory location. The value stored is 1. So in the second one, that is A of 1. So this memory location, the name is A, its index is 1. In that the value stored is 2. Similarly in next one, 3, 4, 5. These are the data values, whereas memory locations are identified by first one A of 0, next A of 1, 2, next 3, last one A of 4. If array size is 5, the starting index is 0, the last index is 4. So the last element we can access by A of 4 and the first element by A of 0. Okay. So in array rotation, left by one position means here A of 0 location means this is the first location, its content is moved to temp memory location. Next A of 1 location means this is second one, this value is moved to A of 0 location. Then A of 2, that location content 3 is moved to this location. Similarly A of 3 is moved to A of 2, A of 4 is moved to A of 3, then temp is moved to A of 4. So this is one rotation. So after one rotation, the content of array 5 memory locations will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, because one will have moved to this and all others are shifted left before this. Okay. So this is the status after array locations after left rotating by one time. Next one more time if you rotate, so then 2 is copied into temp, then this A of 1 location content 3 is copied into first location, then third into second, fourth into third, fifth into fourth, then temp is copied into first. So after this second rotation, the status of array will be 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So that this output we will get. So how many times we have to rotate here? 2 times. So we'll take a memory location called count. We will assign 0 to that so that we can count how many times we are doing. So in the first iteration, temp memory location is assigned the value, the first memory location in the array, that is A of 0 memory location content. Next in first location of array, second element. So in second element, third element is copied. In third element place, fourth element is copied. In fourth element place, fifth element is copied, and in fifth element memory location, temp is copied. This is what we have discussed so far. In the second iteration, count is incremented by 1, indicating that this is second time we are doing the rotation work. So temp is copied with first element in array, first element in array is copied with second element with third element with fourth element with fifth, and fifth element is copied with temp memory location content. Now we have to repeat this iteration as long as count is 0 and count is 1. So that is, if count starts from 0 and if it is less than 2, then the process will be carried out for count is 0 and count is 1. So then only for 2 times we'll have rotated. So this is how we can plan to implement the logic behind writing the code. So after studying this, so count value has to vary from 0 to 1. Next, this temp is initialized to a of 0 only, so index is 0 there. So in this part, the index value will vary from 0 to 3. So 0 is the first element. 3 means if n equal to 5. So the array size, if it is 5, if you want 3 means n minus 2. So the index will vary from 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will start from 0, it will end at n minus 2. So we have to relate to size of the array to generalize the problem. Then in last statement, a of 4 means it is a of n minus 1. So another important observation is count can be 1 and 2. So 2 times, or 10 and 11. So any value it can be. The only thing, 2 times it must be done. That is, if it is initialized to 10, it must be incremented to 11. As long as count is 10 and 11 next, this steps must be executed. So there is flexibility in choosing the value of count here. So in next part there is no flexibility. In this line, the first element means the index has to be 0 only here. That is the first element in array. It is a of 0 only. The index of first memory location is 0 only. The name is a. So next, from here to here, that is 0 to 3 means, so it has to start from 0 only. That is the first memory location in array. Then third means it will be n minus 2. So if array size is taken as n, that is stored in n memory location, if it is 5, 5 minus 2, that will be 3. So hence 0 to n minus 2. And 4 here, it will be n minus 1 if n is 5. If array size is 5, 5 minus 1, that will be the last one, that will be copied with temp memory location content. So with this analysis of logic and planning, next we shall go to implement the code. Here we have C code implementation for the given problem statement. This is preprocessor directive, and here we have main function. Its start is here, end is here. So the first statement inside main function is array A is declared of size 5, and the values are also assigned here. This is array initialization. In next statement, another variable, that is R, another memory location by R is reserved, in that 2 is stored. This 2 is required to keep the count of rotations. Next, another set of variables are declared, that is another set of memory locations are reserved. I for loop index, temp is to help while rotation, n is made to store size of array, that is 5 here, count to keep track of rotations. First time count is made 0. This while loop is taken, its body starts here and loop body ends here. So this loop body gets executed as long as count is less than r, that is count is less than 2. First time count is 0, next time count is made 1, so next time count is made 2. But this loop body gets executed when count is 0, count is 1, because only they are less than 2. So first time count is 0, 0 is less than 2. So the control enters into the loop body, temp memory location is assigned the value. Which value? The first element of the array. Next, this for loop is used to shift the array elements left side. So I is 0, a of 0 is assigned a of 1. Then I is incremented. It is made 1. Every time this condition has to be checked. Is I value less than n minus 1? That is, n is 5, 5 minus 1 means 4. As long as I is less than 4, means first time I is 0, next time I is 1, next time 2, next time 3. So 3, okay, 3 is less than 4. Next time when it becomes 4, 4 is less than 4, that condition false. Then this statement is skipped, the control will jump to next statement after the loop body. Okay. So here when I is 0, so a of 0 is a of 1, means the value of first element in the array is made equal to second element in that array. Next time second element is made third element. Next third element is given the value fourth element. Next fourth element is given the value fifth element. Okay. So this way array left rotation takes once. So when I becomes 4, 4 is not less than 4, the control leaves this for loop body. From here it will jump here. A of n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 is 4. A of 4 means fifth memory location in array, that is assigned the value 10. This we already discussed, okay, while doing the explanation of logic. Next, count is incremented. Count is made 1. End of loop body. The control will come here. Is 1 less than 2? Yes. Once again, these three statements are executed means the rotation, second time rotation of array takes place. Count is incremented. Count is made 2. End of while loop body. So control comes here. 2 less than 2, the condition is false. 2 is not less than 2. Hence control will go out of the loop body means end of loop body is here. Out means to next instruction it comes. This for loop is used to print the array elements on the screen. First I is made 0, then I is incremented, next time it is made 1, next time 2, next time 3. So this loop body means only one statement is there in the loop body. It gets executed as long as I is less than 5. So for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for these values, this loop body gets executed. First I is 0. A of 0 means array first element is printed on the monitor, space is left. Next A of 1 is printed on the monitor because I is incremented and it is less than n. Every time that checking, every time that incrementing and checking is there, as long as this condition is true, it will have entered here. So A of 1 is printed on the monitor, space is left. Next A of 2 is printed on the monitor, space is left. Next A of 3, next A of 4. So A of 4 means it is the last element, fifth element. Next I when increment it becomes 5. While checking the condition, this condition becomes false. 5 less than 5? No, 5 is not less than 5. So it will leave the loop body means it will skip this, it will go to next statement, hence end of program. Okay. So this time you execute NC, execute, compile, number of errors is 0 that you can observe here, execute, run. So the output you can observe here. So given array elements were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they are changed to 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 after 2 times rotation left side. So the prerequisite is please watch my previous videos on loops and arrays. Then you can understand this. Once again you go through this after watching them. If any queries or difficulties, you can drop them in the comments. I can help. Don't forget to subscribe VSH Tech Studies for more such coding sessions. Keep coding, keep practicing. Only practice can make one master any programming language. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.